If you're looking for one of the most efficient and intuitive air conditioners on the market that can deliver precise, even temperatures, make you more comfortable, and save you money and energy costs, then let me introduce you to the Trane XV18 air conditioner. In this video, we'll go over its features, explore the costs, and see who will benefit most from this air conditioner. Hi, I'm Roger with Fire and Ice. We've installed thousands of air conditioners here in Central Ohio over the years, and one of our most popular models is the Trane XV18 air conditioner because of its ability to provide precise, even temperatures, boost indoor comfort, and save money along the way. In this video, we'll go over the Trane XV18 and cover: what are the features of the Trane XV18? What's the efficiency rating for the XV18? Who's the right fit for this air conditioner? How much does the XV18 cost? And finally, what are the next steps? By the end of this video, you'll know if the Trane XV18 is right for you. Let's dive in and look at the features of the Trane XV18 air conditioner. First off, it has a variable speed compressor, which is like cruise control for your air conditioner. The XV18 automatically adjusts its speed across 700 stages as it keeps up with demand. This means it uses between 30 and 100% of its capacity when it's running, allowing the XV18 to keep temperatures inside your home within a half of a degree. It can also solve issues with humidity, reduce hot and cold spots, or uneven temperatures between floors, and operate more efficiently, saving you money on your energy bills. Next is the Trane XV18's sophisticated communicating technology that tailors your HVAC system to your preferences. As a communicating system, the XV18 is able to learn your cooling preferences and provide precise indoor comfort that is unique to your home. Lastly is its quiet operation. The XV18 can operate as quietly as 57 decibels when it's running. For comparison, your average library is around 40 decibels. What is the efficiency rating of the Trane XV18? Air conditioners' efficiency is measured by a SEER rating. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio and is a score of how much energy the air conditioner uses to cool your home. The Trane XV18 has a SEER rating of up to 18. For comparison, most air conditioners on the market today are rated between 14 and 22 SEER. This means the Trane XV18 air conditioner is one of the most efficient air conditioners on the market. Who is the Trane XV18 air conditioner a good fit for? The Trane XV18 air conditioner is the ideal system for homeowners who have plans of being in their home for the next 5 years or more and want to have complete control over their indoor comfort. The XV18 can help address your comfort issues, such as reducing humidity levels in your home, providing more consistent temperatures within your home, reducing hot and cold spots, and can significantly reduce your energy bills. According to Trane, homeowners who have switched to the XV18 air conditioner from an older 10 SEER or lower system can save up to 50% of the cooling portion of their energy bill. Also, if you have issues with improperly sized or leaky ductwork, the Trane XV18's communicating system can help address some of those issues as it learns your system. While the Trane XV18 isn't a permanent solution to inadequate ductwork, it can address some of the comfort issues if you're not looking to make any ductwork modifications in the near future. Now, I will say the Trane XV18 is not for everyone. As one of the highest end air conditioners Trane has to offer, if you're simply looking to save money on your energy bill in the summer and already feel comfortable in your home, the Trane XV18 might be more system than you need. If you're simply looking to replace an aging air conditioner, the XV18 might not be for you. Now the question we've all been waiting for: how much does it cost? The Trane XV18 air conditioner costs between $8,200 and $10,700. For comparison, installing a new air conditioner can cost between $4,000 and $12,500. At Fire and Ice, all of our estimates include the cost of equipment, labor, and any additional fees. There are several factors that can affect the price of an air conditioner, such as the size of your home, filters, and other indoor air quality products, and any modifications that are needed to be made during installation. There is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to HVAC systems, and these factors are taken into consideration when determining cost. Let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on the Trane XV18 or other cooling solutions, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to click subscribe and the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.